1. General use, web browsing. Smoothly browse the internet, stream videos, and handle multiple tabs without issues. Office work. Run productivity applications like Microsoft Office Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Google Docs, and more efficiently. Multitasking. The 16 gigabytes of RAM will allow you to run several applications simultaneously without significant slowdowns. 2. Media consumption streaming. Watch high-definition videos and stream content from platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime Video. Music. Play and manage large music libraries with software like Spotify, iTunes, or other music streaming services. 3. Light gaming, inbuilt VGA. While the inbuilt VGA graphics in the AMD Ryzen 5 processor is not designed for heavy gaming, it can handle light and casual games. Expect to play titles like Minecraft, League of Legends, and other less demanding games at lower settings. Upgrade potential. If you plan to upgrade in the future, you can add a dedicated graphics card GPU to enhance gaming performance significantly. For content creation, photo editing, use applications like Adobe Photoshop, GIMP, or other photo editing software with reasonable performance. Basic video editing. Edit videos in programs like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or other entry-level video editing software. The Ryzen 5 CPU provides decent performance for basic video editing tasks. 5. Programming and development. Coding. Develop software and applications using IDEs like Visual Studio, PyCharm, Eclipse, and others without performance issues. Compiling code. Compile and test code efficiently thanks to the multi-core performance of the Ryzen 5 processor. 6. Storage and file management. Fast boot times. With the 256 GB SSD, your system will boot up quickly, and applications will load faster compared to traditional HDDs. File management. Manage and store files, though you might need additional storage if dealing with large files or databases. An external HDD or secondary internal HDD can be added for more storage. 7. Home office and remote work, video conferencing. Conduct video meetings and remote work tasks using applications like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet. Remote desktop. Access and control other computers remotely using tools like TeamViewer, Remote Desktop, and others. 8. Multimedia projects, 3D modeling and design. Handle light 3D modeling and design tasks in software like Blender or SketchUp at a basic level. Audio production. Record and edit audio using software like Audacity, FL Studio, or other DAWs with reasonable performance. 9. Future upgrades. Dedicated GPU. Add a dedicated graphics card to enhance gaming and professional graphics work. Additional storage. Install additional SSDs or HDDs for more storage capacity. Advanced cooling. Upgrade the cooling system if you plan to overclock or add more powerful components. Higher resolution monitor. Upgrade to a larger or higher resolution monitor for better display quality. Conclusion: PC build with an AMD Ryzen 5 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a 256 GB SSD is a versatile machine capable of handling a wide range of tasks. While it may not be suited for high-end gaming or intensive professional applications without further upgrades, it provides a solid foundation for use like gaming, content creation, and productivity tasks.